What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to show you how to install this Molle panel for Toyota 4Runner 5th generation. These are made by Twenty2tech. This company have different accessories for Toyota 4Runner. So with that being said, let me show you how they look like and what they are made for. This is everything that comes into the package. The two Molle panels, 2 brackets, 4 spacers and 4 screws. These are all the tools we are going to need. A flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Installing the Molle panels is pretty easy. Basically there are 3 points we have to take care about. That will be this hook right here, a hook here on the top, and that flat piece right there that has a screw inside. To remove the hook, you move it to the right or to the left, depending on the side you are. One of the good things I like is this hook right here and that hook right there, and we are installing it again on the Molle panels. That's something I like from Twenty2tech. So we remove this one, we're good. Then we have to remove the flat piece right here. Right now, removing this hook right here, you're gonna need a socket to remove the little part on the bottom. I press left and right side and it pops out, okay? That's it. Right now, installing the Molle panel, keep in mind the T of Twenty2tech right here will be to the rear area always. Okay, so basically what I'm going to install right now is this bracket. This bracket is gonna come like this. Okay, now it's time to the spacers. We will have two. They have different dimensions. The small one is coming to the rear and the longer one is going to the front, okay? This one will be here and this one will be here. Right now, it's time for our hook. Basically, that's all. It looks awesome. So, right now is the moment to install all my accessories. Let's go. My first accessory. Let's go. This thing is really awesome actually. I can place things that are really uncomfortable for me sometimes, like this. Check it out. My drone. Excellent. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As you can see, the Molle panel from Twenty2tech are pretty easy to install. They also offer for Toyotas, Tacomas and for Jeeps. I will leave you a link in the description below. If you have any question, go ahead and leave me a comment. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So, peace.